the old drop down. Woo! You definitely gotta tell the automatic transmission what you want. Gotta drop this package off over at UPS, ship it out to a customer. Figure I'd take you along for the ride with me. We'll go ahead and rip the 300ZX out. Woo, little skip it, dude. That automatic. Nice. Woo! Yeah, she's still got it, boys. She's still got it. We got some big changes coming for this thing. Of course, the manual transmission. And I think I'm just gonna pull this motor out. I'm gonna do a little motor swap, refresh. Swap it out. Might as well put it in here, run it for a little bit. I've never seen that engine run, so I'd like to see what's up with it. Ooh, speed bumps. We're just gonna go ahead and flip a U-turn right here. Woo! So I'll let you in on a little secret for the 300ZX. So I think we're gonna mount that 5-speed transmission, get rid of this guy up to that VG30 I've got in the garage, and just switch them out. Get that one all ready to go, sealed up, new seals and stuff on it, and then we'll just pull this motor and transmission out, swap that other one in. Then I'll probably just part this engine out, break it down for parts, and part it out because it's worth a lot more money in parts than it is whole. There's a ton of VG30s for sale around here that they're just sitting on Marketplace. Nobody's buying them. So I think I'll just break it down for parts. Oh, look at this little Civic here. Type R, nice. Serviceable. Here we go, we're gonna open it up right here. Dude, an NA automatic 300ZX still get you in trouble, bro. Still get you in trouble. Dude, we're gonna hit this on the drop shift it. Take it all the way. An automatic transmission is less desirable, there's no doubt about that, but it's still can get out and party, dude. Be slapping through the gears here. Oh. I think I gotta go this way. Let's go ahead and just take a break to thank our sponsor for today's video. And that motherfucker is me. Appreciate this channel and like the content that you're seeing here. Make sure to hit that subscribe button, bing, right down there. Hit the bell, you'll never miss out. And if you want to support this channel, use the links in the description down below. There are affiliate links, they help out the channel. You're gonna buy anyway, so might as well click through on the Amazon link down there and put a little wind in the sails. Also over on Patreon, you can support the channel. I literally post more videos over there and there's no ads, so you can get that, and it's actually free to join if you just want to go over there too. But if you want to kick down $1 or $2, much appreciated. The 300ZX twin turbo shirt over on eBay, just different ways to support this channel, much appreciated. Now let's get back to driving. No joke, the outside of this car, the paint is starting to be honest, chip away. I know you can see it in the video. The door handle is chipping off. It's quite embarrassing, especially when people are like, oh dude, cool car, nice. And I'm like, yeah, don't look too hard at the driver's side door handle. It's starting to chip away and it's just blowing off. Probably gonna have to get paint done. Probably gonna have to get paint done soon. We'll see. It definitely has to get paint done soon. Just another project added to the list. That's what happens when you own an old car like this. You gotta tell her what you want. Getting back into some traffic up here. I'm gonna hammer it down a little bit. Woo-hoo. Nice, dude. 300ZX. I mean, even if you got an automatic, dude, you deal with what you got. Don't be, don't skip out because you're not getting the one you want right off the bat, dude. Better to have something than nothing. But you got to do it right too. Woo! Get opener up, boys. You got to open this thing up, dude. It likes it like that. You gotta drive your cars. You gotta drive your cars. It needs to be opened up. It needs to be ran. It needs to get those RPMs in it. Keep everything running smoothly. Get that oil lubricated up in there, dude. There's nothing worse for a car than just having it sit. Come on, let's drop it down. Boom. Not much, but a little something. Somebody was asking about the SC400. We absolutely still have that car, but just haven't made it on the rotation into the garage. It's kind of honestly been running like shit, or we would be driving that as well. And it needs work done, and I just haven't had time to do work on it. I think the transmission might be like real unhealthy and needs swapped out. Good news is I do have a transmission for it. The bad news is we need an adapter plate, a drive line, and a flywheel. No, I think we can use, might be able to use a flywheel. I might have a flywheel actually. No, what is it? I don't know what I'm talking about. The SC400 is still here. 300ZX is getting the engine pulled out. That's the next main project. Then of course we have one project that's just like eating up all the garage space right now. As soon as that's done, which I'm just waiting for parts to come in, we'll be good. We'll be good. The 300ZX will go in and we'll tear this engine out and seal up the new one, put it in. Yeah, take her all the way up. Disappointed. We gotta give her the old slap and tickle. Still disappointed. Before we end today's video, I'm out here getting a little walk, try to do 10,000 steps every day. And this little guy right here, this step tracker, my wife got it for me for Christmas. It's a cheap one. It's over on Amazon. I've got a link in the description down below. I've noticed a couple comments like Jesse lost some weight, looking buff. Thank you so much. I appreciate you guys. And I really appreciate that. It means a lot to me. So I'm just sharing some of my tips and techniques. I lost 50 pounds last year, and just getting out and walking, just cardio does a ton. And people think cardio, oh, I got to run a mile. You don't have to run a mile. Get your steps in. Walking is like your #1 cardio go-to. But check this out, talking about the sponsors for today's video. It's me. You go get yourself a step tracker. That's like 20 bucks over on Amazon. Click through the links down below. Helps out the channel a ton when you use those links, and it's no cost to you. It's just Amazon thanks us for referring customers over there, and I'm literally using it right now. Keep me active because it's so easy to just sit down, sit by, and watch the day go by and not get what you should be doing in. Then of course I do weight train, and I'm very diligent on what I put into my body calorie wise, and I still eat ice cream and candy and all that stuff, but I really watch what I eat on the calories, and that's the other part of it. You'll never out exercise a bad diet. cut out the calorically heavy food, stick to like real food, do like chicken, rice, broccoli. I mean, sounds super boring. We cook it up night. We cook it up great. Maybe one night we'll have to do a cooking. I'll show you what I'm eating on. That's it. I think until next time, that's it for today. I gotta go finish up my errands for the day. And I'll see you guys later. Peace. Thanks for watching. Appreciate you guys so much. Click on that like, hit those links, go to the shop, get a shirt. I'll catch you very, very soon. Probably like tomorrow.